Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off downloaded in Apple Music Library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then, on the home screen, open up Apple Music. Next, tap on Library button at the bottom. Then in your library, tap on Edit at the top. Next, we go down and tap on Downloaded. Tap on the checkbox to switch off or turn on Downloaded. Now that I have deselected the downloaded option, tap on Done. You can see here Downloaded has been removed from Library. To bring it back on, we go back into the Edit mode and then select the checkbox and then tap on Done. And that is how you can turn on or turn off Downloaded in the Apple Music Library. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.